Good morning, M4. Today we are going to check the activity you had yesterday on math. And to start, we are going to begin with the place value. For the instruction, you are going to identify or write the value of the underlined digit. First, our number 1, we have 0.58. The underlined number is 58. The place value, therefore, is hundredths. You should have the answer of hundredths. Okay, number 2. Number 2, we have 2.01, and the underlined number is number 2. Yeah, and the place value for that is ones. Very good. Number 3, we have 5.037. The underlined number is 7. Therefore, the answer is thousands. Number 4, we have 12.22, and the underlined number is 2. This 2, yeah. So the place value is tenths. Number 5, we have 4.101. The underlined digit is 0. The place value of that, or the answer, is hundredths. Number 6, we have 200.15, and the underlined number is 200. The place value, therefore, is hundreds. Number 7, we have 200.15, and the underlined number is 0, the second digit 0 to the left from the decimal point. Therefore, the place value is tens. Let me just arrange this. Yeah, tens. Okay, number 8. We still have 200.105, and the underlined number is number 5, the third digit from the decimal point to the right. Therefore, the place value is thousands. Number 9, we have 1.001, and the underlined digit is 0, the first digit from the decimal point to the right. Therefore, the answer is tenths. Number 10, we have 0.001, and the underlined digit is 0, second digit from the decimal point to the right. Therefore, the answer should be hundredths. So these are the answer for our first activity. Okay, let me just hundreds, ones, thousands, tenths, 500s. Number 6, hundreds. Number 7, tenths. Number 8, thousands. Number 9, tenths. And number 10, hundredths. Next activity, we're going to check the fraction quantities of the number. And on my instruction, you just have to divide these numbers, the given numbers, to your denominator. It depends on what denominator you have. Here we have 1/2, and on 1/2 our denominator is 2. Therefore, you are going to divide all these numbers to our denominator, which is 2. So the first number, or letter A, we have 20. We're going to divide 20 with 2. The answer is 10. You should have an answer of 10. Okay, letter B here. 12 divided by 2. You should have an answer of 6. Letter C. 18. 18 divided by 2. You should have an answer of 9. Now letter D. 24 divided by 2, you should have an answer of 12. Letter E, 14. Divided by 2, you should have an answer of 7. Letter F, 60. Divided by 2, you should have an answer of 30. Letter G, 30. Divided by 2, you should have an answer of 15. Now letter H, 48. Divided by 2, you should have an answer of 24. So these are the answer for the 1/2 quantities of the numbers. I'll give you a few seconds to check, or you can pause the video and check your work, and then we'll move on to the next quantities. So the next quantity is we have 1/3. So again, we are going to divide these numbers with our denominator, and our denominator for these quantities is 3 because we have the fraction of 1/3. So the 1/3 of 21 is 7. For letter B, 1/3 of 12 is 4. For letter C, this is 4. 1/3 of 30 is 10. Letter D, 1/3 of 27 is 9. Letter E, 1/3 of 15 is 5. Letter F, 1/3 of 60 is 20. Letter G, 1/3 of 1/3 of 9 is 3. And letter H, 1/3 of 18 is 6. Again, you can pause on this video or on this part so you can double check your answer. Letter B, this is 4. Okay. The next we have 1/4. Okay, we are going to we are going to divide our numbers, or given here, with our denominator 4 because we have a fraction of 1/4. Now the 1/4 of 24 is 6. For letter B, 1/4 of 16 is 4. For letter C, 1/4 of 20 is 5. Letter D, 1/4 of 28 is 7. Letter E, 1/4 of 4 is of course 4. Letter F, 1/4 of 12 is 3. Letter G, 1/4 of 8 is 2. Letter H, 1/4 of 40 is 10. Again, you can pause it, check your answers. Next, we have 1/6. Now, again, we divide it with our denominator 6. 1/6 of 30, answer is 5. 1/6 of 24, answer is 4. Letter C, 1/6 of 18, answer is 3. Letter D, 1/6 of 42, answer is 7. Letter E, 1/6 of 54, answer is 9. Letter F, 1/6 of 60, answer is 10. Letter G, 1/6 of 12, the answer is 2. Letter H, 1/6 of 48, the answer is 8. You can check or double check your answer, just pause the video. Okay, now let's move on to 1/8. Again, we're going to divide our numbers with 8 because we have the fraction of 1/8. For 48, 1/8 of 48 is 6. Letter B, 1/8 of 64 is 8. Letter C, 1/8 of 24 is 3. Letter D, 1/8 of 80 is 10. Letter E, 1/8 of 72 is 9. Letter F, 1/8 of 40 is 5. Letter G, 1/8 of 9 is 1. And letter H, 1/8 of 16 is 2. Double check your answer, please. Answer space. And lastly, we have the 1/10. So this is the easiest. Share the technique for this. You just have to remove the 0. Like for example, we have 40 here. All you have to do is just remove the 0 or 1 0 because we are going to divide it with 4. Oh, I'm so sorry. We are going to divide it with 10. I'm sorry. Okay, let me just move that. What's happening? Okay, so 1/10 of 40 is of course 4. Letter B, 1/10 of 20 is 2. 1/10 of 90 is of course 9. 1/10 of 100 is 10. Letter E, 1/10 of 10 is 1. Letter F, 1/10 of 60 is 6. Letter G, 1/10 of 80 is 8. And letter H, 1/10 of 50 is 5. That's just it. Now you can double check your answer and count all your correct answers and all your mistakes, and you should have a total score of 58. 58 is the total score. So if you have any mistake, just deduct or take away that mistake to the total score with 58, and then comment your score on your homework in the Google Classroom. Again, I have a copy of your exercises or your activity, so you can't change your answers anymore. Just comment down your score. Okay, see you in the lesson.